Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I have a Volkswagen CC that I didn't want to put a big speaker box in and take my trunk up, and I've always had pretty good luck with the free air speakers, and this back deck's pretty big, so I had these 12s free air speakers, some JBLs. They're actually a pretty decent size speaker, and cut out the inserts into the car so they'll sit down in there. On the top, I'm actually going to make a piece of wood that they'll actually just sit in, so they're a little more sturdy, because once you cut some of the sheet metal out, it's kind of flimsy and that'll vibrate. So I'm going to put a piece of wood that's about the same size as that back deck lid, and I'll mount them in there and screw it down. So I'll come back with the next few steps.